என்னை பெற்ற அன்னைக்கும் நான் கற்ற தமிழ் அன்னைக்கும் முதல் வணக்கம். I am Arulmani from Salem. In this video, I want to give some informations regarding the child rights which I mentioned in the petition to the National Commission for the Protection of Child Rights 7 years back. At that time, without knowing the fact whether the existing rules are sufficient enough to protect a child from getting installed as a Madadipati of a Mat or not, I sent a petition to the Commission. After taking insufficient action, the Commission sent me its reply as there is no such practice occurred at the Mats of Madurai district. After receiving the reply, I sent my views to the Commission in my second letter. But after receiving the letter, the Commission has not sent any reply to me so far. Now, let us go into the contents of my letters to the Commission. At present, many mats are functioning in Tamil Nadu. These mats are functioning as per the scheme framed and permitted by the Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowment Act of Tamil Nadu government. For each of these mats, a Madadipati is installed who is the religious and spiritual head of the disciples and of the endowments and head of the secular affairs of the mat. The Madadipati has the duty to perform the spiritual activities. The Madadipati has some restrictions in his life pattern for how to live and how not to live. In such a condition, the Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowment Act of Tamil Nadu government permits these mats to install a minor boy as the Madadipati even if he is 10 or 11 years old. We have an exclusive act to prevent child labor. We have an exclusive act to prevent child marriage. We have an exclusive act to give free compulsory education to the children. We have an exclusive act to maintain the juvenile criminals without putting them in jail. But it is really pathetic that we don't have any act to prevent child Madadipati. According to me, the act of installing a minor boy as a Madadipati of a mat violates all the above said exclusive acts. And also it is meaningless to have the above said 4 exclusive acts if we permit a minor boy to get installed as a Madadipati of a mat. Because only with the opinion that the minor children cannot take a correct decision regarding their life, we are having the above said 4 exclusive acts. In such a condition, in which idea the government is permitting the act of installing a minor as a Madadipati? Does the government feel that the minors are capable of taking correct decision regarding their life? If the act of installing a minor boy as a Madadipati is considered as correct, all the above said 4 exclusive acts regarding the child must be considered as incorrect. If the above said 4 exclusive acts regarding the child is considered as correct, the act of permitting the minor boy to get installed as a Madadipati must be considered as incorrect. A minor, after getting installed as a Madadipati of a mat, does not want to continue as a Madadipati after he attains the age of major, the act of installing him as the Madadipati becomes meaningless. As the minor Madadipati has the duty to perform certain spiritual functions in the mat, it should be considered as a child labor. As the minor Madadipati cannot get proper school education it should be considered as a violation of Free Compulsory Education Act. As the main qualification for the Madadipati is to live a celibate life, the right to marriage is refused for a minor Madadipati even without his knowledge and against his desires. All our laws and acts related to the child are based on the basic concept that the minor children are not capable of taking correct decision regarding their life. As this kind of approach is also applicable to the minor Madadipati, there should not be any exception from this basic concept in the rules for installing a minor as the Madadipati of a Math. A minor cannot take a correct decision regarding whether he has to live as a Madadipati or not. A minor cannot come to a correct conclusion regarding whether he has to live a celibate life or not. As a minor Madadipati is forced into a restricted life pattern by which he is losing all kinds of happiness of the childhood, there is no doubt in the fact that the act of installing a minor as a Madadipati of a Math is purely a violation of child rights. So, by considering all my above mentioned suggestions, I request you to take necessary action immediately without any delay to bring out a legal situation to ban the act of installing a minor as a Madadipati of a Math. For this, you must bring it to the knowledge of the Tamil Nadu government about the fact that the present day practice of installing a minor as a Madadipati of a Math is a violation of child rights. And also you must order the Tamil Nadu government to bring out the necessary amendments in the existing scheme or the Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowment Act of Tamil Nadu wherever necessary, so that no minor can be installed as a Madadipati of a Math hereafter. If we fail to prevent the act of installing a minor as a Madadipati of a Math, it means that we are failing to protect the child rights. Now let us go into the contents of my second letter to the Commission. I thank you for taking action on my complaint. I have received the action taken report, that is ATR of Tamil Nadu government, sent from your office along with your letter dated 11/11/2013. The ATR is based on only one district, that is Madurai district of Tamil Nadu. In this regard, the Tamil Nadu government has failed to provide the informations about the situation in the muds of all other districts of Tamil Nadu. So the ATR cannot be considered as a report prepared after the complete action. And also the Tamil Nadu government in the ATR has failed to mention anything about the existence of necessary legal protection required to prevent the act of installing a minor as a Madadipati of a Math in Tamil Nadu. Actually, my complaint is based on the fact that several years ago, that is approximately 30 years back, a minor boy named Sankara Subramaniam was appointed as the Madadipati of a Math named Thiru Alangadu Imudi Agora Dharma Sivacharyar Ayiravaisiyar Math, which is located at Nerjipete of Bhavani Taluk of Erode district in Tamil Nadu. Now he is continuing as the Madadipati of the Math after attaining the age of major. In such a situation, I don't think that the Tamil Nadu government has brought out any law or act or rule in order to prevent the act of installing a minor as a Madadipati of a Math, at least hereafter. In such a situation, if any of the Maths in Tamil Nadu tries to install a minor as a Madadipati of the Math, then how can the Tamil Nadu government prevent such installation in order to protect the child rights? I want you to get the detailed answer for this question, sir. Also, I want you to know whether the legal requirements in Tamil Nadu are sufficient to prevent the act of installing a minor as a Madadipati of a Mat, and if the legal requirements in Tamil Nadu are not sufficient to prevent the act of installing a minor as a Madadipati of a Mat, I request you to order the Tamil Nadu government to bring out some necessary laws in order to prevent the act of installing a minor as a Madadipati of a Mat, sir. Thank you.